Well, sorry to disappoint you, but it's just me. No kids. I think most of you saw last week's video where we ripped the engine out and demoed the axle. I just wanted to, I think I watched that 100 times already. There's a clip in there where Bud and E, 9 and 13, helped me rip that engine out. I know Bud was a little pissed. That's his pride and joy. He worked hard on it. He didn't want to take it out, but we just put it in there to mock up the engine before we took the cab off so I could locate it. And that was kind of my budget last year. Then we had to wait till, you know, this year's bonus come out before I bought the Mustang II. So we didn't have a whole lot to do, and we just got it running. So now we got to take it out and put the suspension in. But I had to just make another video, a little clip of those two working with me ripping that engine out. And I mean, they've been working on this for about a year now, and it's just second nature to them. They just, I don't know, it was awesome. They jumped right in there. They know what they do. And he got the cherry picker out. Bud started tearing shit apart. And it was just like clockwork. So I was pretty proud of these two little kids, Hill Walker and Texas Ranger here. So
we wanted us some wussies. We would have named them Dr. Quinn and Medicine Woman.
check it out, like and subscribe, and stay tuned, because now we're working on the rest. Next phase is the front suspension. So hang in there, guys. Thanks for following. See you next time. You ready to tear this out?
No.
Don't do that.
Oh my gosh.
You wrenching on a transmission?
Yes. I'm about to take off the final bolt right now.
Okay.
Using my scissors. Let me try a bit more with the wedge here.
What do you think?
Terrible. It's the motor.
Terrible? I'm sorry, dude. Back to square one. We gotta do a little trim in here, and I have to box all that in. Check it out, we got some strong arms, spindles, and massive 13-inch drilled and slotted rotors, coilovers. Don't drop it. Corvette sealed modern bearings with 6 lug Chevy bolt patterns that fit in the Mustang II. What else do we got? Look at that! Look at that! That's some stopping power there, boys. It's gonna go, right? Because of the 5.3. And it's gonna stop. More importantly,